Read and read and read. I probably read 5 to 6 hours a day. I don't read as fast now as when I was younger, but I read 5 daily newspapers. I read a fair number of magazines. I read 10Ks. I read annual reports, and I read a lot of other things too. So I've always enjoyed reading. I love reading biographies. I always liked numbers. I knew I was going to be interested in stocks the rest of my life, but probably at the time I was 8 or 9. I used to keep charts on all kinds of stocks when I was that age. My aunt gave me a world almanac, so I memorized the population of all cities of any real size. But I just like numbers. It was not limited to business numbers at all. My grandfather had a grocery store, and I used to buy Coca-Cola from them in 6-packs for a quarter and sell them for a nickel each. I sold the Saturday Evening Post door to door. I sold Ladies Home Journal. I had all kinds of little ventures, not all hugely successful, I might add. I liked doing business early on. Have the right heroes. I mean, I've always been lucky in that respect. And if the people you look up to are going to form your vision of what the world, how you want to be in later life, I'll give you 2 pieces of advice. I'd invest as much in myself as you can. I mean, you're your own biggest asset by far. I mean, you've got all kinds of potential. All the people in this room, you're lucky to be in this country, gotten a good education, but most people go through life using up a very, very small part of their potential. And so anything you do that invests in yourself, that's the best investment you can possibly make. And then I would follow my passion. I mean, whatever turns you on. I was lucky. I found something early that turned me on. But you don't want to take a job just for the money. You don't want to take a job for an organization that you really don't feel good about, or work for people that you don't feel good about. You really want to be excited when you get out of bed every morning. And it won't necessarily be the job that you have 10 years later, but you'll be learning so much as you go along. And I took a job with Ben Graham, my hero, and I never asked the salary, and I found at the end of the month when I got my first paycheck what I was earning, because I just knew it was the right thing to be doing. So I would follow your passion. I can certainly define happiness, because that's what I am. I mean, I get to do what I like to do every single day of the year. I get to do it with people I like. I tap dance to work, and it doesn't diminish. It's tremendous fun. So success is getting what you want, and happiness is wanting what you get. Well, I don't know which one applies in this case, but I do know that I wouldn't be doing anything else. I mean, I do advise you, when you go out to work, go to work for an organization that you admire, people you admire, because it'll turn you on, and you ought to be happy where you are working.
Sebagian dari kita, ketika kita sudah menjadi orang yang profesional, ketika kita sudah menjadi orang besar, ketika kita sudah memiliki perusahaan yang besar, kita enggan belajar lagi. Kita merasa hebat, kita merasa sudah profesional. Padahal orang cerdas, orang pintar dengan orang yang bodoh, bedanya itu tipis, bedanya itu sedikit. Yakni orang pintar, orang yang cerdas, itu dia belajar terus. Sedangkan orang bodoh, dia berhenti belajar, dia tidak mau belajar lagi. Maka janganlah seperti itu. Kita harus terus belajar, kita harus tumbuh, kita harus terus belajar, kita harus tumbuh, kita harus buka pikiran, kita harus open mind, kita harus mengkosongkan gelas kita. Ketika kita bertemu dengan orang lain, merendahlah, dengarkanlah orang lain, sehingga kita akan terus tumbuh dan terus maju.